super excited to share with you guys my chicken tacos. So as you guys can see, I have chicken obviously because we're making chicken tacos. I also have tomato cooking base. Now this is used for flavor and also seasoning the chicken as well. I got mostly everything from Aldi's, which is my favorite store in the whole wide world. So anyways, I have some avocados on the table. I also have lemons as well. This is actually not part of the recipe. The avocados are not quite ready, but I wanted to share with you guys because I got the lemons and the avocado from my tree. So anyways, I'm going to use some guacamole. This came from Aldi's. It's so yummy. And of course, I have some tomatoes. I'm going to dice those nicely as well. And I'm going to use some hot peppers. But if you want any hot peppers, that's fine because I have an alternative for you if you don't like it spicy. So that's fine. Now, we're going to also use spinach. But if you don't want spinach, it's all good. You could go ahead and just use shredded lettuce as well. And of course, I got tacos, and these tacos did come from Aldi's. So yeah, guys. So this is the basic of the recipe. Also, you're going to need cheese as well, and I'll show you guys that towards the end. So here I have my daughter helping me out as always. So she is just shredding up the chicken. So she's just going to go ahead and use this fork to cut the chicken in very small pieces. I prefer my chicken in very small pieces so that way you can really bite into that taco. You know what I'm saying? I don't like the fat of the chicken or the cartilage of the chicken, so I just throw that out. So anyway, she's just going to keep, shredding that chicken. We're pretty much done. And then after that, we're going to add our tomato base. And then she's going to go ahead and mix everything together. So yeah, she's just going to mix. If you want to use a spoon, girl, just use a spoon. But we like to dig in our food, you know what I'm saying? So anyway, so she's just mixing all that together. And I also have my son's girlfriend in the kitchen helping as well. And you're going to see her add the seasoning because they was like, add some seasoning. And I'm like, I don't need no seasoning, but they still said add some seasoning. So we're adding a little bit of seasoning and I will show you guys exactly what I'm using. So basically all I'm using is Old Bay seasoning. You could use this on shrimp. You could use this on crabs, chicken, whatever. You could use this. It doesn't have that much salt. You know me. You know me with my salt. I don't really like a lot of salt in my food, but whatever. So anyway, so we're going to use the large George Foreman grill. I just add a little bit of olive oil there. And then we're going to go ahead and add the chicken onto the George Foreman grill. Now I'm going to tell you right now, you do not want to dry out your chicken, so just be careful with that because you want your chicken nice and moist, onto your tacos, okay? So here we're just sauteing the peppers, and here's your alternative. You don't want to use peppers if you don't want your tacos to be nice and spicy. If you don't want it hot, then go ahead and just cut up some regular peppers. This is what my son's girlfriend did. She just, did some regular peppers and some onions as well. They also made a quesadilla. I didn't show this because I already have a video on the quesadilla, but they made quesadillas. We made tacos. We had a good time in our kitchen. So yeah, guys. So she just sauteing those peppers, and you could also just cut up some chicken as well. If you don't have a George Foreman grill, just cut up some chicken like she's doing. So yeah, we have it. We just have a lot going on in our kitchen, guys. So anyways, we're going to take the tacos and we're going to put it in the oven for about 5 to 7 minutes just to give it a little bit of a crisp and make it nice and warm. Of course, you don't want to burn it, so don't leave it in the oven for too long. So once you have your tacos in the oven, this is when you need to get everything ready because your food is pretty much done. Because once you have the tacos ready, you need to have everything else nice and ready. So here I have my chicken pretty much done. I'm just going to cut it in smaller pieces. Like I said, I don't want like big chunks in my tacos. So I just want it, smaller pieces. So I'm just going to cut it up a little more. And that's it. Now I'm going to be ready to load up my tacos. All right, guys. So in this clip, obviously, I'm just cutting. So anyway, so now we're going to go ahead and load up the tacos. So obviously, it is cheat day, okay? So we're going to enjoy our tacos, okay? So as you can see, I have 3 tacos, but like I said, it's cheat day, so let's add a 4th, okay? So anyways, guys, I have a lot going on in my kitchen, so I'm just going to go ahead and just start putting everything on. So the first thing I'm going to put on is your meat, okay? And then you could go ahead and do your lettuce or your spinach and then your peppers. And now I have my tomatoes on. And then we're going to go ahead and add the cheese. I was going to skip the cheese, but I said, you know what? It's cheat day. I'm going to go ahead and have some cheese. And then you're going to go ahead and top it off with your guacamole. I don't like sour cream, but if you like sour cream, put on your sour cream. And that is the end of this video. Definitely try out this recipe and let me know what you think you can add to it or take away from it. All right, guys. Ciao. Peace and love. Bye.